Look at the apple. It is red and shiny. It is round. Smell it. Sweet. Take a bite. Crunch, crunch. The apple is juicy. I like apples. Here is a banana. It is long and yellow. Peel, peel, peel. The fruit is soft. Take a small bite. It tastes sweet. Bananas give me energy. I like bananas. This is a mango. It is yellow or orange. The skin is smooth. The inside is soft. It is very juicy. It smells sweet. Cut, slice, and share. Mango is yummy. This is a strawberry. It is small and red. The seeds are on the skin. It has a green top. It smells fresh. Bite it gently. It is sweet and a little sour. I love strawberries. Look at the orange. It is round and orange. The peel is thick. Peel it with your fingers. The slices look like little moons. It is juicy and sweet. Drink orange juice. Oranges help me stay healthy. These are grapes. They can be green or purple. Grapes are small and round. Pick one from the bunch. Pop it in your mouth. It is juicy and sweet. Share with a friend. I like grapes. This is a watermelon. It is big and heavy. The skin is green. The inside is red. There are black seeds. Bite a big slice. It is cool and juicy. Watermelon is great in summer.